Good morning, Primary 6 to another video. Today we're gonna take our last unit, which is statistics, and the kinds of statistical data are classified into a descriptive data and a quantitative data. The descriptive data is the data that we describe it or we write it in letters. Let's see some examples. They are the data written in the form of a description or in letters in English. To the case of the person in the society as the favorite color, the food, the birthplace, the social case, the educational case, the professional case, anything that you write it as a letters, this is called a descriptive data. While the quantitative data is the data written in the form of numbers to express a certain phenomena like your age, your tallness, your weight, the shoe size, the number of sons, the student's mark in an examination. So anything that you write it in the form of letters is a quantitative, while anything that you write it as letters, as English, is called descriptive data. Let's see some examples. Number one, complete. The kind of statistical data are descriptive and quantitative data. The birthplace at an address, so you write it in letters, so this is a descriptive data. The age, you write your age as a number, so this is a quantitative data. The blood type, like A, like AB, like A+, so this will be a descriptive data. The length of a line or the length of your tallness is a quantitative data. The weight is a quantitative data because we write it as a number, but the name is written in letters, so this is a descriptive data. Okay? Next question. The following data are descriptive data except the, so we write all the following in letters except the weight. We write it as a number. Another example. The following data are quantitative except all the following data is written as numbers except nationality. We write it in letters. The is one of the descriptive data. One of those, we can write it in letters as your favorite color. The following data are descriptive. You mean descriptive like writing in letters. This is the blood species. The most important example in this unit is how to draw some statistical data. You're gonna find in any examination that you have a table like this. The following data shows the extra money which 100 workers got in a factory. The extra money is distributed into sets like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. And the number of workers is like the following: 20, 15, 30, 20, 10, 5, and the total is 100. So he asks, what is the number of workers who obtained extra money less than 50? Who obtained less than 50? This is a 30 plus 15 plus 20. So we're gonna add 30 plus 15 plus 20. So this will be equal 65. Then he asks you to draw the frequency curve for this distribution. So you will get a drawing graph like this, and then we will write the first row at the end of your graph. So we're gonna write here the first set, which is 20, and the second set, which is 30, and the third set, which is 40, the fourth set, which is 50, the 60, and our last set is 70. We're gonna add a new set to it, so we have 70, and the last one is 80. Then this is called the extra money. This is called the extra money. So I'm gonna write on this row beneath, this is the extra money. On the other line, we're gonna try to find a table that includes this number. This number ends with 5 and 0, so we can write table 5. So I'm gonna write table 5 here, starting from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40, 45. I think this is enough. And this row will be called the frequency. So the first term we have 20. The set 20, we go up to 20. So the workers who paid 20 are 20, so we're gonna put a point in the middle between 20 and 30, because not all the workers paid 20, they are paying 20 up to 30, and this is the meaning of a set. The set 30 is 15, so in 30 we will go up to 15, then move to the middle and put a point. The next set is 30, so we're gonna go up to 30 and move to the middle and put a point. The other set is 20, so we're gonna move up to 20, then put a point in the middle. And we have 10 and 5, so I'm gonna move up to 10 and put point in the middle. Then from 70 I move up and put point in the middle. After you put the points, you're gonna draw it with your hand, join each point to the next point like this, and then you get your frequency curve. Thank you, Primer 6, and see you in another video.